mineral, and third one is packaged drinking water. So packaged drinking water is what? It's like below the pH level approximately 20 to 30, which is very harmful to our health. But we consume those kind of waters every day because it's getting the people cheaper cost. First, second, the added mineral water. The branded companies are using added mineral due to they are maintaining their minimum of pH level for packaged drinking water. Now, the for consumer, which is very costly for drinking mineral water, which is provided by the so many companies like Himalaya, Aquafina, like Bristlery. These are the big companies who are selling it off very huge cost, like around starting around minimum to minimum 50 rupees and maximum huge, which is we know. But which my target is the mineral water can get it a normal person and in their normal budget. So that is my projection, which is we are introducing a river fresh natural ingredients with the natural minerals water, which is we can start with the West Bengal. Now, second option is like this project. If we are doing the same field and same thing, the company why they are not getting it? They are selling it off the higher price, and we are selling it off lesser price because we are established into the near to our state. So this is why we can give the more cost effective for the customers. Now, for this product, see, the people having those water last 10 to 20 years maybe, and there is so many 20 rupees jars also, 20 30 rupees jars also available in the market. We are into that part as well because we are not only the package drinking like the bottle part, we are having a jar part as well. So we can fill nearly project cost approximately 70 to 80 lakhs, which is come up with processing cost, labor, electricity, and everything, the entire establishment cost. So we are expecting we are a lump sum of amount which is already we invested. We are gathering our money and we can input it, and rest of the part we are accumulated with the investors so that we can come up with the market very fast. Now, that is all which we required from the investor part, and we are having a lump sum amount which is we are investing with the shades and other part. Now, this is what we are expecting, and already explained my product like the same product already in the market but lesser price. We are introducing our product approximately 20 rupees a budget of mineral. So I guess we can sell it off very easily. And I have a design. If you wanted to see, then I can share with you. As of now, like
No,
very in
okay.
short, we can
So, do you have a plant in West Bengal?
there is no there is no such kind of plant. We are
So, how are
making
you
it.
gonna package? How do you suggest to pack the product?
Machinery, yes, that is under the manufacturing machineries, which is we gonna purchase. Like the budget is comes up with the entire package. Like the budget which is
Okay.
already I share, it's come up with the machineries along with shades and necessary documentations and everything.
And how much is the investment?
It's approximately 70, which is we can accumulate approximately 20 and
70,
50
what,
for
70 lakhs? You're
yeah,
saying?
70 lakhs. 70 lakhs.
So 70 lakhs, you will be putting a plant in West Bengal.
Yes,
And what will be the source of water?
it's a natural river water, running river water.
Which river?
It's a Jamuna, which is connected to
Jamuna.
Padda.
Okay. And how do you plan to logistically supply all over India?
Basically, initially we are start up the capacity of the machines. We can start up with the entire. Calcutta. There's only the
Entire
cities
Calcutta.
and the
And what is the capacity
yeah.
of this 70 lakh machine? How much liter of water that will be, produced in a day?
Per day we can, yeah, it's minimum to minimum, or we can produce 1200 petty, which is comes up around the bottle of 1 liter, approximately 14,400 per day.
14,000 cases.
1400 400 per day.
No. 1 liter, or you said how many bottles of 1 liter?
14,400.
14,400 bottles.
Exactly.
And what is your selling price?
The bottle for the consumer or for the distributor?
Yeah, consumer.
Consumer, it's basically we gonna start up with the 18 rupees.
18 rupees.
Yeah.
And how much you will sell it to the dealer?
It's a 12 bottle of pack. Approximately, we can sell it of around 84,
Sorry?
84 rupees.
84 rupees. And what is your manufacturing cost of those 12 bottles?
Uh, Approximately each bottle's every cost deducted after the cost deduction and including tax. After that, the profit margin will be the 1 rupee
No,
50
no, we
paise.
are not talking about profit margin. We are talking about manufacturing cost of 1 liter bottle.
So just hold on, I'm telling you.
You're selling the case of 12 bottles at 84 rupees. What's the cost of manufacturing of 12 bottles?
It's 5 rupees 50 paise per liter.
Including the bottle and the case and the
Mm-hmm,
distribution
mm-hmm.
and the
Exactly.
logistic.
Yeah, yeah. Because we are making our own bottles, not we are borrowing somewhere, not borrowing somewhere.
You are making your own bottle.
Huh.
So how do you make your own
Uh-huh.
bottle? Do you have a plant of plastic also? Plastic
Not
manufacturing?
exactly. There is a raw material called puriform. So we are
Mhm.
purchasing puriform. That is our raw material. Then after that, we are
Yeah, so
purchasing cap.
you blow that with the hot gun, right? That is what you do,
Machine.
right?
Exactly. Yeah, yeah.
And
Blow
to buy
machine.
the cap, you have to buy the cap, you have to buy the label, you have to print the label.
Yes, yes, yes,
So
yes.
printing will be done at your place or you will be getting it printed from somewhere else.
No, somewhere else. The see, our
Mhm.
raw material is cap, puriform, and the level, and the plastic
And the
for
label
wrapping up.
and also the carton where you pack it, right?
Not exactly the carton. We are using the zinc plastic, which is the recently Bristlery and other company also doing. The carton is
Okay.
somewhere else. Like if we are
So,
using the carton, so it should be a thicker one. So it costs higher. So that's why.
hmm. So you will be using the plastic to pack it.
Exactly. The zinc mold
And
plastic, which is
what
there
about
is a
filling cost? What filling cost? You must be having filling cost also, not the fixed cost. Plants, when you're putting a
mm,
plant, rental, there will be, fixed cost involved, the manpower, your filtration.
yes, yes. Everything
So
under
that
5 rupees 50 paise.
everything under 5 rupees 50 paisa.
Exactly. Because I can explain you. I mean, 26 rupee, 26 paisa for capping, 2 rupees for bottling, and rest of the 10 paisa for leveling, and rest of the my labor and electricity.
Okay. Can you send me the breakup of this
This
5 rupees
is
50 paisa? Because we were
the-
manufacturing water and it never comes to 5 rupees 50 paisa. So
you are also into
it's
the
yeah, we were manufacturing
you
water at Mumbai, packaged drinking water.
okay.
And then started a factory at Baddi also,
So how much
or mineral water.
the puriform will cost?
Sorry?
Puriform, how much it will cost? Puriform.
Puriform depends. Like every bottle have a different, right from 200 ml to we were making 20 liters.
Yeah, but the puriform is comes under kg basis, right? So that is I'm asking.
So so it's a different cost altogether. Again, we were not for mineral water. We were not giving in plastic bottle. We were buying, glass bottles.
Okay, okay.
Okay, packaged
So
drinking
it
water we
come
were doing in bottles. So it's like about 1 rupee 10 paisa is the puriform.
1 rupees.
10 paisa is the puriform. Cap also comes about 60
Single
paisa.
piece. Single piece puriform cost 1 rupees.
Yeah.
You are
That's why I'm
getting it
saying
much
share your
cheaper
cost.
than.
You share your cost, then we'll talk about it.
Yeah, yeah, sure, sure. That
Yeah.
chart I have, so I'll share
Because
with you
fixed
the
cost,
cost.
fixed cost at 14,000 liter. What is your fixed cost? Hello.
Yes, yes. I
Yeah,
don't
so
think
your fixed
I
cost,
get.
you said your fixed cost also you've taken that into 5 rupees 50 paisa. I want to understand like
Mhm.
how many manpower that you mentioned or how many what is the rent that we are talking about. There will be electricity also, right? Have you taken all the consideration? Like have
Basically,
you taken all the cost?
just hold on. Yeah, can you repeat me once because the internet got disconnected. Come on. Hello,
I'm I'm asking you.
hello.
Hello.
Uh,
My question is,
yeah, yeah.
what is the fixed cost monthly?
Monthly fixed cost. Okay,
Yeah.
it's approximately not exactly I remember, but it's almost with the labor charge and the electricity almost with that machine comes around 1.5 at least 1.5 to 2 lakhs
1.5 to 2 lakhs.
max as per the West Bengal electricity charges. Now I
Mm.
have to check with the whether the government is any kind of subsidize that price or not. So that is different issue. But if I'm going with the straight way, then
And
as per
with 2 lakh
the
rupees, listen the question. Okay. With you said 2 lakh rupees, 1.5 to 2 lakh rupees, right?
Mhm.
Hello. Yeah. And how many liters
Yes,
you
yes.
will be making in a day?
It's 14,400 liters.
14,400.